Today we're talking about Freewell ND filters for the DJI Air2S. Also doing a giveaway, so stick around to the end to find out how to enter the giveaway. If you buy the DJI Air2S Fly Mode combo, it comes with some ND filters by DJI, but the problem with those filters, they only go up to ND32. You can buy them separately as well, but ND32 just simply isn't enough on a bright day. So today we're at the beach and I'm going to be testing out some Freewell ND filters. Now these filters go all the way from ND4 up to ND64. You also get a CPL filter, but you also get on the bottom right hand corner an ND1000 and an ND2000, and they are brilliant. These allow you to get that long exposure look. It's a 10-stop filter on the ND1000. So you've probably seen loads of pictures where you're getting them nice effects of them light trails at night or that long exposure, whereas it almost is like freezing that motion. And all this is basically a long exposure photo. And by using an ND1000 or a 2000, you can get that look. And it is so dark. If you just look at this now, that's how dark the actual filter is. That's the ND1000. So I'm going to be testing a few of these filters on the DJI Air2S today. It's a bright day. We're starting off with an ND16, and you can see when the ND16 is on, it's simply just not enough. It's still far too bright. An ND32 is pretty much okay, but I still would prefer the ND64 look. And this is the problem with the DJI filters. They simply don't go up to that ND64. So on a really bright day, you're going to be limited to that ND32. So ND64, this is the look we can achieve. It looks pretty good. So let's go and test this filter out and I'll show you how it looks. Whoa, who saw that seagull there? It got pretty close. If that was a Mini 2, maybe it wouldn't have actually swerved and that would have gone straight into a Mini 2 and I've been game over, but saw the Air2S and it was like, I'm not having any of that, I'm going. So this is the ND64 and I think that looks really nice. And especially direct into that sunlight on a really bright day, we're getting a good image. So let's go and just check out this ND1000. So ideally you want to be using this on a evening with around a city with a load of cars or something, and that's going to look brilliant. You're going to get all them light trails, or you could use it on like a waterfall, something where there's fast flowing motion. You can use it on the sea, but it needs to be moving pretty quick. Today it's going really slow, but we can freeze that motion there. But look at this CPL filter. This is a favorite of mine. Let's go and check to see what this looks like on the Air2S.
Stupid, I know what I'm doing. Every time you get lost running out in your thoughts, I know exactly who you're missing. I know I look desperate, but the day that we met was a lost case of bet. I don't regret one moment. I know that you don't love me and I mean this.
So that looks really nice. The CPL filter makes all them colours pop, and especially on this being 5.4K, it just looks brilliant. Straight out of memory card, it's incredible. But also on this drone, I forgot just how quickly it actually gets to different locations and the increase of altitude. Just look how fast it can come down. This is in normal mode as well, without any spinning up. This is just direct. It's incredible. I actually had to just pull back a little bit because it was coming down at such a speed, so fast.
I'm not angry, and I really can't be. I made you my life, knowing full well you might not have even been ready. I know how this seems, but I gotta believe when you're finally done and your heart gives her up, we can be all that I dreamed.
So on a really bright day, by using a pack which has loads of different filters in, you're going to be covered and able to get some great shots no matter where you are.
Just lie to me, tell me I'm everything you want, 'cause honestly, I'd rather put up with the front than having to deal with the day.
So certainly ND filters are a great accessory. You know I love ND filters. Most of the time, like I said, unless I forget them, I fly all the time. I just think it allows you to get some great motion and natural blur on your image. But just look at this. I'll just descend in here. Just look at the detail on them rocks. It's absolutely incredible. Make sure you're watching this in as high quality as you can. But the details from these rocks is absolutely outstanding. The quality is good. I am impressed with this. So if you just got the standard DJI Air2S with no filters, then Freewell do these filters. They're available now on Amazon and also on their website. I'll link in the description below if you want to pick them up. But we're also going to do a giveaway as well. So if you want these DJI Air2S all-day pack filters, or you can have these all-day pack for any DJI drone, so that includes the Mini 1 and the Mini 2 as well, then listen out. All we want to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel and Freewell's channel. I'll put them in the description below, and then on the next video just put on the comments to say why you actually want these filters, and then I'll just pick somebody at random and then we'll send them to you, and it can be anywhere in the world. So on the next video, make sure you comment and just let me know why you want these filters, and I'll just pick out at random. And for some behind the scenes action, Darren M Productions on Instagram is where you can follow me. Take care guys, see you all soon, bye bye.